Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can become a Canva creator where you can essentially earn money by simply creating content. I want you to come over here at Canva Creators, okay, at canva.com, and this is particularly a marketplace that is very different than anything that you have seen, okay? It's not like writing blog posts or creating content or selling pictures or designs or templates, okay? Canva Creators is essentially a place where anyone can create designs from any part of the industry. It's an opportunity for designers, photographers, illustrators, artists, and subject market specialists. Okay, so essentially over here, anyone who is actively, working in the creative space will be able to earn commission. Essentially over here, they will let you to work as much as you want. You don't have any quotes, okay? You don't have to do something on particular deadline. The idea is that they want you to join Canva creators so you can, create your own schedule, be free, and earn money while doing so. So a couple of things that you want to pay very close attention is that who can become a Canva creator, okay? Primarily graphic designers, web designers, desktop publishers, art directors, and layout artists. These people can apply over here. The next batch of people, element creators, including photographers, illustrators, typographers, videographers, and artists. They can register over here. Remember, there is a difference between apply and register. In a beta version of Canva, you can actually find even more opportunities. Educational specialty creators, teachers who specifically create educational resources and elements. So essentially, if you're a graphic designer, I presume, or if you teach, photography or choreography or painting or something that is related to design or artism, you can probably sign up and apply for. Very important, what type of content you could publish. Canva creators can publish elements and templates to the marketplace. Elements and design assets like photos, graphics, illustrations, vector art. Okay, all this stuff over here are part of the premium package, Canva Pro. This is, I presume, where Canva is splitting the royalties or the earnings from the Canva Pro. How to become a template creator? First of all, you gotta register, share your portfolio of work with them. Second thing, publish once accepted design and publish Canva templates. Step number 3 is to earn every time your design is used. You can earn. It's not guarantee. It says you can earn royalties. Well, essentially, guys, this is the basics. If you fall under some of these categories and if you're interested to earn some side income, probably this could be an interesting opportunity for you. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.